Vantage Welding students learn advanced techniques to design, engineer, and build for a wide range of industries, all while developing the competencies to excel in their career. From basic fabrication to complex applications, these students gain essential skills to break into a trade where unlimited opportunities exist.
Hello everyone, my name is Jacob Pierce and I am a Vantage junior welding student. The reason I came to Vantage was so I could get a head start in the welding program by gaining skills and knowledge that will allow me to get a higher paying wage when I graduate. From now until my senior year, I will be given the opportunity to earn AWS certifications. AWS certifications are things employers look for when hiring, and it doesn't matter if you're a welder in the production field or a welder that makes 100,000 a year. By joining this union, you will be impacted in your life, professionally and personally.
At Vantage Career Center, welding students receive training from industry professionals and have the potential to earn multiple American Welding Society certifications, gaining them a higher paying wage upon graduation without the debt. Whether college or career bound, Vantage students get the edge on their futures.